Multiplication game, cover the number. Your learning target today is I can fluently multiply facts 0 through 9, and you'll know you're successful when you can multiply two numbers together and find the product on your game board. Girls, today we're going to learn a new multiplication game called Cover the Number. Remember, this will help us with our third grade I can fluently multiply facts 0 through 9. And I'm hoping this game will be fun and will help you with that. So again, it's called Cover the Number. For this game, you'll get a board that looks just like this. You'll also need 2 dice and then some kind of way to mark your board, either with chips or like bingo chips or anything else. Since all I have right here are erasers, that's what I'm going to use. So you can be creative and use whatever you have at home or in class. So for the first step, you will need a player 1 and a player 2. So player 1 rolls 2 dice and multiplies the numbers that land face up. So I'm going to roll my dice and let's see what I get. So I rolled a 6 and a 6. So remember, I get to multiply those numbers together. 6 times 6 is 36, right? So what I need to do is I'm going to place a marker on the number that matches that product. Okay, so let's look at my board. Let's try to find where 36 would be. Well, I see some numbers that repeat, but I only see, I think, 136. I see it right down here. So I'm going to use one of my erasers. I'll use green, and I'll mark that 36. Okay, so my player 2 is going to go now. And player 2 is going to do the same thing. So I'm going to pretend to be a second person. And then this time, player 2 rolled a 2 and a 5. So 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10, right? So player 2 is going to be purple, and player 2 is going to find a 10. There's either this 10 or this 10. I will choose that one. So the game keeps going, and your goal is to get 4 in a row. Something important to keep in mind, on the directions it says if the number is already covered, do not cover any number. So it's kind of like a lose a turn. If you roll your dice and you get a product and it's already covered because there are not any left, you just skip and go to the next person. And then whoever gets 4 in a row is the winner. And then you can play this again as many times as you would like. So I hope that you have fun, and remember, this is helping us learn those multiplication facts, because by the end of the year we want to know 0 through 9 automatically. Okay, remember, your learning target today is I can fluently multiply facts 0 through 9, and you'll know you're successful when you can multiply two numbers together and find the product on your game board.